on, baby. Nice. We got to make this number one. There it goes. There he goes. There we go, baby. Heck yeah. Yes. Gotta love this. Here he comes. So pretty, man.
He's fighting pretty hard.
Dude, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Woohoo!
He's fighting pretty good.
Heck yeah,
Let's
bro.
Go. That
Let's
thing was
go.
probably in the water for about 5 seconds.
Really?
I just casted it out.
All right, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Landed. Let's go. Come on, baby. Heck yeah, dude. Now we're fishing, baby. All right, Joe. Let's get him in the water here. Get a nice honor release going. Hey, everybody. David Fine here from Watch Your Lip. Today, we're going to do a tutorial on how to catch freshwater tarpon on a small boat, slow trolling live shiners. Guys, we're going to give you a couple quick tutorials.
Yeah, you're on.
I'm on?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm on, guys. It's gonna have to wait. What we're doing, we've got our live bait, which I should probably show you how to do as well. In fact, check out this video when we catch some live bait. But catching shiners in the C14 chain is pretty easy. They're everywhere. You just gotta bring a little chum, cast net, and get it done. So guys, what we're doing is we're using our trolling motor, and I have it on speed like 3.5. And what we're doing is we're trolling 3 lines. Guys, we're trolling 3 lines. We have one on an outrigger, kind of, or the rod holder pointed out to the side this way. We got one, Lorenzo's has his pointed out to the side that way, and we're fishing one off the middle. We drop them back probably about, I'd say, 30, 40, 50 feet behind the boat. You don't have to go too far. And we're fishing light tackle, guys. Size, that's a 3,000 size Shimano Stratic on a light action rod. We got 20-pound braid. We got a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader and a 1.0 Mutu owner Mutu offset circle hook. It's a Mutu light series. We set this guys up. Oh, we're going through some eelgrass here. I'm bound to get caught up in the grass. That's part of the deal when you're slow trolling these baits. In this canal system, you're going to get hung up in the grass. But you just kind of cruise along and you look for little pockets. Yeah, see what's happening now. My bait's getting drugged through the grass real quick, and that's a good way to kill him. Wow, he's really getting hung up. Hold on a second here, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and do this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go taking our hook, going in the mouth of the shiner, up through one of the nostrils. In the mouth, out through the nostril, 1.0 Mutu light offset circle hook from owner. And guys, we got 20-pound fluoro from 20-pound braid. You can go lighter on these canal chains, but when you go through the eelgrass, oh, dude. Dude, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Holy cow. You can pirate. Go ahead, put him in. Put the baits down. What the heck? Big peas, guys. Just slam my bait as soon as it touched the water. Oh! 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 Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Got him? Got him. Dude, that was quick.
That was quick. The perfect set. Look at that circle hook. Bang his head against the deck again.
Nice little pea. Whoa, quick, get it, get it.
Carmen out.
Dude, easy, 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 easy. Wow.
I just have my shiner like this.
Right next to the boat. Wow. Bro, that was awesome. There's a lot of tarpon rolling, dude.
I was like,
Dude, it was crazy, man. Whoa. It's within 10 feet of my bait for sure. Whoop, there it is. All right, there it is, guys. Come on, man. Whoa, rush it. Hold on, hold on.
I see leader. Engine!
He's wrapped around the prop.
You got him out?
Yep, he's out.
Oh, my line, dang it.
That's all right.
Go over.
Hold on, he's good. He's swimming back.
Go.
Super light drag is a trick, man.
Alright. I'm gonna do that.
Here he comes. There it is, baby.
15, maybe 20. Less than 20. Okay. Oh!
Love that sound.
Woo! It only took 20 minutes. Alright, bring him to me.
Hold on. He's not done fighting, dude. He's gonna jump. He's got another jump in him.
Jesus, let him go. Dude, this water's so good.
Hold on. Here he comes.
Whoa!
Dude, that might be the biggest freshie we've gotten yet.
Maybe, that's a pretty big one.
Love tarpon. There he goes.
Oh. Oh no. I hooked him too. Ooh. Hey,
Hold on, he's coming.
he's barely hooked. Oh, he's barely hooked.
He's making a mess of that line, boy.
Yeah, I'm gonna reel this.
No. Come on, land the fish. He's almost here. Just leave the bail open. Leave the bail open. Because if he goes bye-bye, it's a strong fish, man.
So how loose is your drag?
Drag's pretty loose.
He does not like this net at all.
Come on, baby.
He's gonna jump. No, I think he's getting tired. Whoa, that's a pretty big one.
Ready. Get him.
Yeah!
In. Get him in.
In the boat.
In the boat. Look at that bad boy. Come on, man. Silver Prince right there. Freshwater Silver Prince. Coming at me. All right, I'm gonna let him go. Ready?
Yep.
He's got no sharks to worry about in here. There he goes. Okay. Oh, tarpon. Okay. Did he come back out?
He's out.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
I just can't. Oh my gosh.
All right. Okay.
It's not a bad one either.
Matthew, reel my line in. Okay, I'm gonna reverse out. Try and get out of the bridge, son. I'm gonna try and get him out of the bridge. Shh. Reel my line in, Matthew. All right. I'm gonna try and get him out of the bridge. Come on. Just. Oh! Is he not in the pylon?
He's not in the, he's out. He's ours, babe.
Well, not ours yet.
Dude, I can hook him.
Okay.
That is so cool.
All right, we're out of the bridge. Matthew's on net.
I can't get his head up.
It's all right. He's in the weeds. Just baby him a little bit.
Oh, I'm big.
He'll come up.
It's a big tarpon.
Yeah, it's decent. All right, he's digging down. He's digging down.
He's a good one.
He is. He is a good one.
Oh, yeah. He might be a 20-pounder.
No, I wouldn't go that far. Okay, see silver.
Oh, yeah.
See silver. Oh, reel. Let me see that reel you got there, buddy.
Shimano.
The little Shimano.
I forgot what this is called.
Okay.
Stratic.
Yeah, man. I like that. He's digging down. He's gonna give us a little jump.
No, he's done. Here, get him. Get him.
Nope. No.
He saw that net.
Going underneath.
He saw that net. He's like, heck no, man.
All right.
Tail was like,
He's got life, man.
that was sick. Holy crap. Oh, he's deep down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. All right, Lorenzo. You got your nice silver king. Let's measure him.
Oh, yeah.
About 32? 32? Okay.
32. No,
All right.
33.
33? All right. Come on, let's get another one, guys.
33 is the final. Let's just call it 40, shall we?
No, not quite.
Let's just call it 40.
What are you feeding the water for?
Oh. I need to make sure he's good.
Oh, he's good, dude. He's good, man. Bro, there's fish going crazy here. What's going
Dad,
on?
you might be on. Oh, Dad, you're on.
Oh, I'm on.
I think you're on.
I am on. Okay, here, film.
I'm on. This one's on.
No? All right, so Sophie's on a tarpon, guys. Are you sure? Tarpon. No. Watch your line. Put your rod tip down, Sophie.
Nice, Sophie.
Okay. Come on, baby.
That's small.
Little juvie tarpon.
I'll take it.
No. Just wait. Let him get tired. Sophie, get your tarpon. Whoa. Is he around the trolling motor?
I can't.
No, he's out. Okay, bring your rod tip up.
Look at this guy.
Dude, look at the tarpon, guys. Get him in the rope. Net. Yes! Yes! Tarpon in the boat! Tarpon in the boat.
Sophie's first, second tarpon.
Sophia's second tarpon. All right, Sophie, let's get a release on your little juvie. Come over here, sweetie.
Just put him in the water.
Yeah, I don't want to be responsible for that. Sophie's got her first little freshwater tarpon.
No.
Oh, dude. All right. All right, Lorenzo is on
I was laying down using the
with a
Sophia
poon.
method.
The Sophia method.
Oh, look at him. He's right there.
Is he?
Oh, he's digging.
He's digging. Watch the trolling motor. Trolling motor's deep.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, man. Dude, he's in the motor. Uh-oh. Whoa!
That was a high jump.
Dude, that was a great jump.
Did you get that?
He's a jumper.
Did you get it? Oh,
Look at him.
he's gonna pick his shark.
Look at the poon. Oh! Dude! Not a bad little poon, bro.
Not a bad one.
Not a bad little poonage. Lorenzo's he is dialed into the tarpon, guys. At least the Juvy'S. I dare you to jump. And that's a light line, guys. That's a light reel.
It's a 3,000.
3000 series. Oh, he's gonna get him with the shiner.
Oh no, not the shiner.
What do you say we land this fish?
I don't want him to fall out of the boat. Whoa! As soon as you
It's always the way it works. It's always the way it works, son. You like those eyes? Like those pink eyes? Yeah, keep them on this side if you can. Strong fish.
He literally swam into the trolling motor.
He's like, I'm gonna cut these guys off one way or another. Fish. I got guys tarpon Tarpon are beasts, man. This is not that big of a fish, guys. Only about 8-10 pounds. And they just don't stop. That's what I love about this fish, guys. Catching tarpon. You got him? All right, Lorenzo's gonna land his own fish. Hook's in the corner of the mouth.
Oh! Did you get that?
Kind of.
I shouldn't have grabbed it with you.
All right. Come on, do it, boy. Do it, boy. Got him? Are you gonna get the hook out? You gonna get that hook out?
How big the eyes are. I will.
Yeah.
Oh, he has another hook in it.
Does he? Oh, it's a worm hook.
Yeah.
Here, let me get the pliers. Let me get the pliers. All right, guys, we're gonna bring this fish on board just to do a little surgery. Here, son. Here, get the pliers. There's another hook, guys.
Got it.
Inside, let me see it.
Worm hook.
Worm hook. There's another hook inside of his mouth. So we're basically saving this guy right
Then
now.
there's our hook.
Then there's our hook.
Hey, who did a better hook set? Me or that guy?
Oh, dude, you killed that hook set, bro.
With the laying down hook set.
The laying down hook set. Got it off?
Yeah.
All right, slide him out. My headlamp is dying. That's the problem with that. But the spotlight's a little weird with the...
A little much?
Yeah, it's a little much. It kind of clouds out drowns out the colors and stuff, so. Dude, nice fish.
Let's troll him. Like, not troll, but like, let's put water in his yellow beam. I thought it for a while. You want to do that?
Can you do it? By yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gone, bro. He's gone. All right, man. Lorenzo,
Perfect, man.
good job, bro.